place where I'm standing in now is once upon a time people used to lock their padlocks for the sake of their love. But now the French government removed all the locks from this bridge because they think it harms for the bridge iron sides. And this place name is Pont des Arts. You can see this beautiful architectural building. It is like a cultural center of Paris. But still, there are a lot of locks that people locked, like in these pillar sides. I can show you some. Here you can see different types of locks and their names are written there, the couple names, and the dates also 6th March 2022, so it's recent. So somehow people managed to lock with maybe it's a cycle lock, so they still trying to lock their padlocks for the sake of their love. And this is under that bridge flowing the river Seine. It is almost 8 p.m. and what I'm gonna do is now just roam around the city. You can see the top of the Eiffel Tower here, and the lighting you can see. And I'm gonna do is just walk around the city and look how this beautiful city of Paris looks at the time of night. So let's go do it. Here is a bridge you can see, and the Seine River, and people walking and spending and enjoying their life. And there is a different restaurants in every corner. Panini, pizza, pasta, sandwich, tacos, everything you can find here. And this is the historical Notre Dame, which burned few years ago. And this is the famous cathedral of Paris. It was the two churches before, and then it made one cathedral combining the two churches. Here you can see the Eiffel Tower, and I'm going to the way. So now I'm gonna walk like a little bit, a few minutes, because today is my last night in Paris, and tomorrow I'm flying to another place. Look at this, there are souvenir shops and restaurants. So this road is just the beside the Champs de Paris road of the beside the Eiffel Tower. This is the Avenue Bordeaux. Yes, something like that. I cannot pronounce because it's hard to pronounce the French words. Like it's a bit different from typical European languages in case of the pronunciation, but in other cases it's quite good.
भाई क्या बोल रहा है?
Look at these cafes. The lightings are up to the mark. Cafe Le Dome.